Most of us don't have an eye-popping net worth like the famous investor Warren Buffett or the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk. Just because you're not that wealthy doesn't mean it's pointless to know your personal net worth. In fact, it can be a pretty helpful tool that many people fail to utilize. Knowing how much money you have is beneficial because you can keep track of your progress and see improvements over time. It's also nice to know how you stack up against your peers, not for the sake of competition, but just so you know how you're doing compared to the average person. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the importance of understanding your net worth and provide you with a multitude of strategies to increase it. Hey there, I'm here to help you learn about managing your money, personal finance, and investing. If you want to improve your financial future, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Firstly, let's discuss how net worth is calculated. Some people believe that your net worth is defined by your annual income. However, this is not the case. Simply put, net worth is the difference between what you own and what you owe. Your assets would mostly consist of your home, automobiles, and anything else of worth, including bank accounts, investments, gold, watches, and diamond jewelry. For example, if your house is worth $500,000, your vehicles are worth $50,000, and your other modest assets are worth $10,000, your total is $560,000. However, because your debts are not included, this does not equal net worth. If you have a $300,000 mortgage, a $40,000 auto loan balance, and a $3,000 credit card debt, your total debt is $343,000. Subtracting the debts from the total value of all assets yields a total net worth of $217,000. As you can see, this formula has nothing to do with a person's earnings. Every 3 years, the Federal Reserve Board conducts a consumer finance survey to collect data on household income and net worth. The most recent report was conducted in September 2019 and released in 2020. Despite the fact that the research isn't totally up to date, given current high inflation rates, it should still be a fairly realistic picture. According to the report, the mean or average net worth of U.S. families is a fairly high $700,848. The ordinary person does not appear to have very much money, but ultra-rich families of billionaires and multimillionaires raise the mean extraordinarily high. Looking at the median or midpoint figure paints a more accurate image of the average person you see on the street, perhaps someone more similar to yourself. The total median net worth of U.S. families is $120,700, which is a more reasonable figure that can be easily surpassed with minimal effort. The median household net worth for someone under the age of 35 who is the head of the family is only $13,900. This might be because of a number of things. People at this age are just starting out in their jobs and have yet to achieve a good, secure wage. They may also have college loans, making it difficult to increase their net worth. They have most likely recently acquired a property or have not yet done so, which might have a significant influence on your net worth. The Federal Reserve reports that homeowners have a median net worth of $250,000, while renters have a net value of $6,300. Furthermore, they may not have started investing for retirement because of outstanding obligations or a poor income. Even if they have, it might take a long time for investments to snowball and yield a significant sum of money. People between the ages of 35 and 44 have a median net worth of $91,300. Financial progress picks up a little at this point in their life. A career is typically established, and income has risen, but increasing families bring additional obligations. The acquisition of a house has most likely contributed to the net worth increase because they are paying down their mortgage and owning an appreciating asset rather than renting or living with relatives. Retirement funds have hopefully been established and are being replenished on a regular basis, but many individuals have yet to consider retirement, if at all. The 45 to 54 age group has consistent rise at $167,600. While there aren't necessarily as many life changes as there were in the previous age group, some families are starting to see children move out, which may or may not help with the family budget. With the exception of the rare update to accommodate an expanding family, these elderly families are normally in the same price range as they were previously. Nonetheless, many people fail to begin preparing for their future because they lack a grasp of investing or fail to recognize the need to invest. Debts can grow in size, and more luxuries are prevalent since individuals believe they deserve it because they work hard. Those aged 55 to 64 get a little increase to $212,500, adding to the circumstances of the preceding age group. The housing situation is unlikely to have altered significantly. Perhaps some families opt to reduce their house, and their children move out, requiring less room. Income often plateaus at this time and begins to decline as a result of fewer hours worked and lower productivity. The fortunate are seeing an improvement in their status as a result of expanding investments, mortgages that are being paid down, and the capacity to pay cash for other products rather than financing them. Households aged 65 to 74 had a net worth of $266,000, which is somewhat more than the younger age group. With typical retirement commencing at the age of 65, net worth will no longer expand as it once did. Some people are taking advantage of their investments, if they have any, and working less, if at all. Healthcare requirements are increasing, which can have a significant impact on the finances of individuals who are ill and have limited healthcare coverage. Because these families are aging, a declining net worth at this stage might jeopardize their retirement. Finally, the median net worth of people aged 75 and up falls to $254,800. This is the first age group in which net worth decreases, but this is not necessarily a bad thing. Spending the money you have left might be fun if you don't run out. We don't know how long we'll live, so why not reward yourself with a holiday every now and then, as long as you don't deplete your retirement savings? Most adults this age aren't working, and if they are, their earnings aren't exceptionally great. Net worth is one indicator of your financial condition that may be used to track your development. It's handy for keeping track of your net worth, but it won't tell you when you'll be financially independent. Someone with a net worth of $10 million may still need to work to pay their obligations. For example, someone may have an $8 million mansion and $2 million in exotic automobiles, but no income-producing assets. Someone with a net worth of $200,000, on the other hand, may be retired. Now, let's explore the various strategies to raise your net worth, which can ultimately help you achieve financial independence if you don't already have it. First, prioritize paying off debts such as student loans, credit card debt, and other obligations that lower your net worth. This means you won't have to pay interest to lenders, and you'll have more money to spend on other things. Second, invest in appreciating assets like real estate, businesses, stocks, and other investments that offer compounding returns. This way, your investments will accelerate and snowball over time. Another effective strategy to increase your wealth is to find ways to reduce your expenses. There are several significant ways to save that you may not have considered. Moreover, increasing your income outside of your 9-to-5 job can create additional streams of income from side jobs that may help you get richer. Be patient and understand that getting ahead takes time. But as you follow these procedures, growing your wealth is inevitable. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more weekly investment tips. Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on managing your net worth. Happy investing!